today is a pretty exciting video. I've got another collab video for you. I'm doing a collab with Beauty and More with Renee. She's a lovely person. If you've not checked out her channel, I will leave it in the description down below, and also leave a picture somewhere around here of her channel so you can go and check it out. So this is the colour story that I'm working with. So it's the Mint to Be palette by Colourpop. What we basically did is I put all our palettes into a wheel, and then Renee chose the numbers through an app like Pretty Random or something similar to that, I imagine. So I'll go through the shades that we've got, because I already did this once and there wasn't a card in the camera. I know, go figure. So the first one is Get Fresh. So that one was chosen, and that's that one there. That would make a really nice transition shade. Number 2 is the Mint Tea, which is that shimmer there. And then I need to get the numbers up, don't I? Right, so the order that was pulled in is 2, 1, 4, 7 and 6. So I've told you 1 and 2, so that's 1 and 2. Shade 4 is, I can't see it, Seltzer, this mint green sequin shade here. And then shade 6 was it? Yes, shade 6 was Dementhe, which is that shade there. And then shade 7 is Ice Cold. Now I'm getting pretty worried about this story. I'm getting pretty worried about this colour story, because normally I have more than one shimmer to work with. So this is going to have to go on the lid, but it's also going to have to go on in the inner corner. Otherwise, if I just leave that in the inner corner, then we're going to have an all matte look, and I don't want to do another all matte look. I did a matte look yesterday at the end of the video for 3 days free looks with the Blush Crush palette, so I don't want to do that again. I mean, it turned out nice and everything, but yeah, I think I'm gonna get a different brush to that. Let's try this one. So this is just a Primark brush, but as you can see it's clean, and with mint shades, and as I don't have my colour switch, we need to be working with clean brushes here. Right, so this, what shade is it? Get Fresh shade. This one's going to go in the transition crease area. It's quite pigmented. I was worried it was going to be like the e.l.f. one from the Mint to Be palette, which is not pigmented at all. So don't mind my appearance, guys. I've not long got out of the shower. And let's be honest, we're all friends here, so it doesn't matter that I'm still in my dressing gown. I'll get ready in a minute. Yeah, so it builds up really nice. So that's something. I have left this video far too long to film. It goes up tomorrow, 6 PM British Standard Time, and I need to edit it obviously, yeah, as well. I mean, I'm sure I won't have any problems getting it up. My issue now is I don't have a brow bone highlight, I don't have a inner corner. So the brow bone's going to have to be left, because we didn't say that we could use extra shades. So I'm just going to use the shades that Renee's pulled. Right, so what's next? I think it's going to be a mainly all matte look, you know. I feel like this green shimmer here is going to have to be in a corner, and then these, maybe that one on the lash line, and then these two. That can go in outer corner, and then that can go all over the lid. And we can always apply some of the shimmer over the top. I think we've got a plan now. I just really don't like all matte looks. What do you guys think? I know I asked you this yesterday, but you won't actually see that video for a few days yet. So let's do the Art of V first. I'm confusing myself with this colour story, I think. Renee did a really nice look. She's more prepared than me. Right, so number 6 is of Menthe, that one there. I think that one's going to go in the outer V. It's not really showing up. I think I'm going to put that deeper mint green over the top. So I'm going to do the look and then we'll talk more about Renee at the end of the video. I'm not being ignorant, I'm just focusing more on the look at the minute. Right, so we might actually get somewhere today. The card was full, so I've just sorted that out, so hopefully we won't be interrupted again. Oh, my mirror's over here. Okay, so I was just applying Ice Cold, that one there, the deepest green in the palette. And I was just saying, you know, I think I'm gonna like it. But we do have 2 other mattes to put on it, so. I think I'm going to blend it out with just this Primark brush I used initially to lay the lightest shade down. Not too much though, because I do want some definition. Right, and then we've got this really cool toned mint green here that I need to do something with. No, we've used the Menthe. Ignore that. So right, we've used Get Fresh. Sure, I used the Menthe. We used Seltzer, or maybe I just swatched the Menthe. Right, we'll use it anyway. I'll get another brush. Right, so I'm going to use this brush this time. Go into the Menthe, and I'm just going to pop this over the top here to lighten it a little bit. Because the camera stopped, I'm not really too sure if I use this. I think I might have only just swatched it. But we've definitely used it now. So we've used Get Fresh. So I first used that in the transition, didn't I? And then I used Seltzer on the outer V, but it was too light. So then I went in with Ice Cold, and we've just gone in with the Menthe. So really it is just the shimmer that I need to use. So that's fine. The shimmer can go on the rest of the lid. I'm going to take the tape off. And I'm not too sure about the shimmer. I mean, it looks okay there, but we might have to use some glitter glue. Maybe just go in with my finger actually. See how that looks. No messing about today. Ooh, pretty. But yeah, we're definitely going to have to put some of this in the inner corner. I'm really looking forward to seeing Renee's look. So this is our first collab together, and I hope it's the start of many. I really do like doing these single collabs. It's about the only commitment that I can kind of sign up to at the moment. So yeah, it's nice to be able to do it when basically I have the time to. And it doesn't take too much time away from my own channel by doing them as well. That's pretty. Right, so now I'm going to go in. Actually, we'll use this smoky brush. Go in with the same shade. It's called Iced Tea. And you don't even need to spritz this shade. Now I think this is the first 9 pan since Her Honey that I've been pleasantly surprised with, because the Lilac You A Lot, guys, didn't pleasantly surprise me. It's a powdery hot mess. Right, so now we need to do the lash line, and we're going to go in with Ice Cold again on the lash line. I love doing these roulettes just to see if the other person that I do the collab with has done a similar kind of look where they place the eyeshadow. I think it's really, really cool. It's a bit blown out, but never mind. I think I do want to spritz the brush and just see how much more foiled we can get it. I'm just going with this one. And I'm just going to use my Primark Glow Intensity Setting Spray that we're finally nearly done with. And I'm going to go back in with Mint Tea. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. The only thing I'm itching to put on is a brow bone highlight. But I won't, just because we haven't spoken about it. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's put some mascara on now. So it's just the usual one, Essence to False Lashes. Next time I go into town, I'm going to pick up a different one. Right, and then I'm just going to go in again with my ring finger and add a bit more of Mint Tea. I am super obsessed with that shade. Now realistically I would have loved to have used this shade, Play It Cool, because I've not used it, but we're going to be using, we'll probably do another 2 looks with this palette at a later date. Maybe I'll pull it out for next week because Nona really wants to see me do some looks with it. So this is one of the looks, Nona. Let's talk a little bit about Renee and her channel now, because I don't want to forget. So, right, okay, so I can show you a channel, but I am going to link it as well, so that's it there. So Beauty and More with Renee, and we'll talk about what she does on her channel. She does similar content to me, so if you like my content, you're going to like hers. But she does something different to me as well. You know, she does these trivia nights, and I've not watched one of them yet, but I've been curious about them. I think they're lives, either lives or premieres. I think it might be live. And like I said, I've not been a subscriber of hers for long, probably not even a month at this point, but yeah, I really do like her channel. So she does a lot of get ready with me's, she does unboxings. So yesterday I watched her FabFitFun unboxing, and I'm always curious about what comes in those boxes, so that was fun. She does Mask Mondays with like a group of other women. All at the Beauty Ninja Mask Monday, and she did a Gourmand Girls swatch party as well. She did a haul on that video. That was also a good video. Yeah, it says here trivia time, trivia live. So she does them live. So if you like trivia videos, I mean, it's a bit different for a beauty creator to be putting trivia videos out, and I think it's really interesting. Like I said, I've not watched it, but the next one I'm going to try and make it to. But it's just hard really because of the time difference. What else? There's another haul there, Go On Girls haul. There's a Shop Miss A.
Hey guys,
Oh,
welcome back to the channel.
there she is. There's a Shop Miss A haul on her channel as well. I love Shop Miss A, but it's really expensive to get it shipped here, so I haven't done a haul. But everyone that I watch does shop at Shop Miss A, and I really love seeing what everyone got. There's a Dollar Tree haul as well. So yeah, she does a lot of everything. She did a giveaway recently, well it was 2 months ago actually, before I was subscribed to her channel, and she gave the Limoncello eyeshadow palette, which is my favourite, away, and also the brushes that came in that collection. I think that was for her 800 subscriber giveaway. So yeah, she does regular giveaways on her channel as well. I'm just trying to think, have I missed anything? Just let me scroll down the list. Right, so I don't think I've watched this. Colourpop Cosmetics mystery boxes. I might have done. I don't know if I have, because I have watched a few of the mystery unboxings. But yeah, she's also got some Colourpop mystery unboxings. So if you like mystery unboxings, then that would be a good video to watch, especially if you're a Colourpop fan like I am. Yeah, and it's just a lot of get ready with me's, which are really good. I love watching her get ready with me. She does a lot of collabs as well. So that's pretty much her channel. Like I said, we are very similar in our channels, and that's why I wanted to do this collaboration with her. I absolutely love Colourpop, so if any of you guys out there do like Colourpop and want to collab, just leave me a message down below. I would jump at the chance of it, guys, because I do use my Colourpop palettes and do the 3 days free looks, but I also really enjoy doing collabs as well with palettes that I haven't used. This look has come out better than I anticipated. I really do like it. So yeah, I really like how it's come out. I've not put lipstick on, so let me grab a lip here. I just don't know what to use because mint's quite a cool toned look, isn't it? So I got this Wonder Woman lipstick ages ago, so we're going to try this because I'm not too sure whether I even want to keep it in the collection. Yeah, it still smells of vanilla, really nice, so it's not gone bad yet. I wasn't sure because I have had it for a couple of years at this point. Oh, that is nice. That doesn't look too bad, and the lipstick's really nice and creamy. Right guys, so I thought I'd jump back on since I'm ready now. I'm ready to go out. So this is the overall finished look. I really do like how it's turned out. So if you're not already subscribed to Renee's channel, I would really appreciate it if you would head over there and give her some love, and I know that she would appreciate it too. So this concludes the video now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and comment, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I am currently working on an international giveaway at the moment, and that should go up in a few weeks, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.